just put it here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. First of all, what are your hobbies?
Oh, okay. I like to read. I like to run and play with my dog.
Okay. Cool. And how old are you?
I am 61.
Great. Okay. And how would you describe your experience with digital products?
Like a digital product, is that like
Like a phone, computer.
Oh,
Yeah.
I use them. Couldn't live without them. Yeah, use them daily, constantly.
Okay, gotcha. And then would you consider yourself creative?
Yes, generally.
Okay. And then how much free time would you have on a typical day?
2 hours.
Okay. Okay, now you can check out the site.
Okay. Okay. Motive memory. Native memory. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
Okay.
And so
Okay.
there's some buttons there, but the only ones that work are at the very top.
Okay.
So those will take you somewhere, but...
Okay. So, cool. I like the title, Made of Memory. And this is a store that can help me get supplies I need to do scrapbooking.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I probably didn't start you off
Oh,
on the
it's
home
okay.
page, but it should.
Okay.
But you got it.
Okay. Nice scissors, as opposed to me using the old rusty ones I have in a drawer somewhere. Okay, some books and stamps. Excellent. Can I click on these?
Yes, those take you somewhere.
Okay.
To a new page.
Okay, so what is scrapbooking? Okay.
Yes. And then while you're looking through, are there any overall impressions about the design of the site that you think about?
I like that. One of the things that I like is it's showing me ways, different types of scrapbooking, that I might do it as a journal process for travel, family. Oh, okay, I could take a class to learn how to do it. Okay, it's good even there's a newsletter to give me new techniques. I'm not looking at this in full screen mode, so
Yeah.
to me, some of the type might be a little bit small under
Small.
here.
Yeah. That was going to be one of my questions. Like a scale
Okay.
of 1 to 10, how is the readability of the text? What would you say?
Once again, I'm not looking here. Let me make it in full screen. Okay, so that's gonna help a lot. I still feel like this is a little bit small. I feel that this part, it looks a little text heavy to me.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit too much gray here. I don't know. Just when I look at it, it looks like, wow, that's a lot to read.
Gotcha.
I also, by the way, I used to do a lot of page design for newspapers and magazines before I became an English professor. So I think a lot about design aspects like this. So I would say that these all have to have the same number of lines.
Okay.
And not just have like a one word down here.
Okay.
I also think that centered text can be harder to read.
Okay.
Like visually it's a little bit more stunning, but I think for reader usability, I think flush left can be easiest to read.
Okay.
I'm sorry, this is way more. This is
No,
probably
this is
not what you were
perfect. No, this is
expecting.
perfect. It's mostly, a lot of my questions are like, if you could add or remove anything, what would it be, or change anything?
Okay.
So those answer those.
Are these scrapbooks? This image?
Maybe.
It looks to me like more. It's like a notebook with a big notebook with other little notebooks inside. It didn't like when I think of a scrapbook, like I think of.
Right.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So okay.
Got
The things that I'm saying here are small things that are easy to fix. It is a very visually pleasing site. It's up here. This is easy to navigate. I like the idea of what is scrapbooking, and I really like this idea of ways to scrapbook. Start. Okay, starting. Start. Okay. Okay, different kinds of binders. Oh, nice. This is cute. The book bound, yeah. Okay, good.
There's a little more on that page.
Oh,
Kind
okay.
of a longer page.
Okay. Oh, okay. I just did paper. Glitter matte glossy pattern seasonal ornamental tracing cardstock. Okay. Pictures. Add stickers, random picture, layer pictures on top of each other. Serrated to the whole punch craft knife, paste. Okay. That's a really pretty image.
Yeah, I like that one too.
Start. About. Okay.
There's a little story.
I love that picture of those women
I liked it
together.
too.
They look like they're
thought that
having
was
such a
cute.
good time, and it's so certain the picture in the background.
And then.
Okay. Once again, I think that because the text is bigger than the picture, I would cut I would cut them to like
Gotcha.
even up. Common questions. What is scrapbooking? Where do I start? Where do I get materials? How do I print pictures? Okay, excellent. Oh, capitalized staples.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna bold that. Staples.
Okay.
Okay. And then, if I asked you if you wanted to sign up for the newsletter, how would you go about looking for it?
I remember it was right down here it was towards the bottom of one, was it the home page? Maybe the home or the start page. I don't remember. There it is, right down here.
Okay,
Okay, and I just click this button.
Great. And then if you wanted to buy stamps, where would you go?
I remember seeing that. I think it was was it at Start? Okay. I remember seeing them. Maybe it was at Store. There it was. Okay, yeah. I think
Awesome.
because I started on the Store
Yeah,
page, I
I
got
didn't
that
know
mixed
why
in
I
my
did that.
mind with home. Okay.
No, you're good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, and that's all for the in-test questions. Now the post-test questions. Oh. Okay. And do you see any future growth for this site? Like anything that could be added or changed?
I think it's pretty comprehensive.
Mm-hmm.
You could have a place where people upload pictures of the scrapbooks that they've made to get, I don't know, if people feel involved in the website, they're
Right.
more likely to go to it and look at
Yeah.
it. So,
Okay. And then if you could add any aspect or feature to the site, what would it be?
I think the idea I just said was the only,
Yeah.
the only
That
that's
was
the
good
only
too.
idea I have.
Gotcha.
I like that the buttons are big.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we are trying to like focus on accessibility for websites with this class, so I think bigger buttons might be helpful.
And just the fact that the people who are telling the story are clearly older women, like accessibility and ease of navigation clearly is really important.
Okay, thank you. All right, and was there anything that was unexpected or expected in the website, either good or bad?
I expect a website about scrapbooking to be lovely to look at, and it was a lovely website. The colors were well chosen. The font, I think, is appropriate to the I don't know, subject matter, and it does feel very readable in terms of spacing. So I think it meets that expectation that I would have.
Okay. And then, would you ever seek out a site like this in the wild?
You know, I haven't really done any scrapbooking, so
No.
I probably wouldn't go. To be honest, I probably wouldn't go to a scrapbooking website. But interestingly enough, like looking at this website makes me think like I should be scrapbooking. Like maybe that would be, I would enjoy that. So yeah, I just hadn't really thought about getting into scrapbooking, but looking at this sort of makes me think, well, maybe that could be really fun.
Yay. Okay, that's everything. Thank you.
Okay.
Oop.